Hello, hello, hello. Today is Sunday, May 3, 2026. Here follow Keith Norman's solution to problem 254. And he writes, the problem is about relativistic Dopplershift between the moving frame of the star and the observing frame of the Earth. Ulf Heller notice Walter covered this in his lecture 35 of 802. Ulf and Verzen gave detailed mathematical answers, but this is the essence of the answer. When a star moves towards Earth, the blue shifted radiation observed is due to the Doppler effect, where light waves are compressed, shortening their wavelength and thus increasing their frequency. The extra energy of the detected photons comes from the kinetic energy of the moving star. Several people said this in different ways. Some are listed below. And there you see the names of the people who also had great solutions, some with very interesting mathematical details. But the essence is that the extra energy of the detected photons comes from the kinetic energy of the moving star. All right, Sunday, May 3. For many of you who live in India, your weekend may already be behind you. Get ready for problem 255.